Hello everybody, this is Check with Beck. Welcome back to my channel. So today, why I have the camera specifically right at my desk, what I'm going to go over is a way to pack for media mail that's the cheapest way and easiest way for eBay. When you're doing books, CDs, records, things like that, you can send through media mail. So I'm going to go step by step on how to do an order. If you have, you can order these. Now these are your bubble wraps. They're from Priority, the UPS. You can order them. You can get as many, like 50 of them for free. So I get 2 of them since I have a book. I make a cut down the side. I will stick the book in. You see how it covers it up just fine? Now I'll take the end and I'll tape that. Don't tape your book. So I tape it, it's secure. I will then take another one and I will do the exact same thing. I will cut right down the side. Now this time I will take the book, turn it around, so the closed end is here, the end that you had taped is facing the other way. I will take the book, slip it inside the second bubble wrap. I will then put, see now here's your book. Your book is nicely wrapped. It's in the bubble wrap. Now you have your poly mailer. Now your poly mailer, you could actually find these. Go to eBay. You can get, like this one I believe, I got 50 of them. I got 2 different sizes, 50 of them for like $2.17. They don't cost that much. You can pick out your own designs that you like. This design I really like. On the back of this one, it talks about what the design means. It was a daughter, well, a mother's daughter who came up with the design. The design means hope. And it is for recovery for men and women. So if you buy a case of 500 of these poly mailers, 500 is going to cost you $8. And then those proceeds go to a recovery place. They go to a charity, which is for men and women for use of drugs. So that's why I picked this poly mailer. Not only am I, buying a great design, but the money that I am giving is actually going to a charity. So I take my book and I put it inside my poly mailer. Close it up. I seem to have forgotten to get my tape out. Got my tape just to reinforce the backing. I will tape it one more time. Now you set this to the side. I have a scale. This scale here I had bought at Harbor Freight. Now at Harbor Freight it runs for $29.99 and they have a promotion going right now, so I got it for 21 bucks. It does grams, ounces, and pounds. So as long as you're not planning on putting anything heavy in the mail, this will be okay. Now I'll go ahead, I hook up my scale. Plug it in. Now I take an empty roll of tape, like the packaging tape I have. I take this, I put it on here first before you turn it on. You will turn it on, switch the mode to grams, or ounces, excuse me. Once you got it to ounces, you then take your book again, put your book back on top. Okay, so this book is saying it's 48.80 ounces. So you would round that up to 49 ounces. Boy, just nothing's going right with my pins today. So now I have my little note on here. It says 49 ounces. When I get done with that, I go ahead, turn this off. Set it over to the side to put up later. Then you go back to your computer, laptop, iPad, whatever you may have at the time. So now you go back to your eBay and you are going to print out the eBay label. You can actually do this right from your laptop. You don't have to run to a oh my goodness, why can I not think today? A post office to mail off your packages. You can do them right from your home. You can also schedule for them to come and pick it up. So that means, like with me, I just have them pick up my packages at the regular delivery time, so that way it doesn't cost anything extra. So when you go back into your eBay account, all you have to do is, for the printing of the shipping label, I'm actually going to my account right now so I can print out this label for you guys so you can actually see exactly what, what I am talking about, because I'm sure there are a lot of people out there that have no clue of what I'm talking about. So as soon as I get there, I am going to turn this around so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so in my eBay account, I went to my summary side. I have sold this book here, so it's still waiting to be shipped out. So I hit print shipping label. Now it comes to here. Right where it says custom size, you leave that alone. It says USPS packing. You don't touch that. You come down to this next line. It's going to say your package weight. You will actually backspace the package weight limit. The only thing you need to do is put in your ounces here. I will put my 49 ounces. I will press update and it will do it all for you. So it comes out to be 3 pounds and 1 ounce. So to ship this book is going to be $4.19. Now my shipping for eBay, I had put on there $5.99 for the book. So that means I've made a profit right there just in my shipping charge. So I press purchase and print label. My label is going to shoot out. And I will cut it. See, here's the label. I will cut it, put it on my package, which I will show you that here in a minute. Here's my printer, so my label is coming out. Okay, my label is done. I'll put back my package up here on the table. I won't need this anymore. Now this is an example of what the label is going to look like when it comes out. The bottom half I just cut. I keep that in my records of what I have sold. So if a customer comes back, says they didn't receive it, they didn't get it, it has all my information on there. As soon as I have printed the label, eBay sends to the customer, or marks on the item also, it puts the tracking information and says that the item has been shipped, since now it has a tracking number on it. Now again, I'm not going to the post office to do this. I am doing this right here at home in my robe. In the morning, I took my son to the bus stop in the car, exactly in this. I didn't have to get up. I didn't have to put makeup on, go through my clothes in the closet, see what I'm going to wear for the day. Now I'm taping my label down just so it doesn't get ruined during the shipment time with the UPS, the post office. You know, it's that time of year. Packages will get damaged, torn. So I'm pretty much sure that when my package leaves here looking nice and pretty and neat, that it's probably not going to get to my customer in the same condition. But you want to keep it, you know, as close to it as possible. So now, since I got my packing label on, I am just going to run another piece of tape along the bottom to match where I had put the first tape where I closed it. So there you go. My package is now ready to ship, and I'm here at home in my robe, no makeup on. This is how you can do an easy way to do your eBay without having to leave your house, having to find a box, look for any shredded paperwork, any, those little popcorn things. This is an easy way to do books. You can also do clothes the same way. You can put them in there. Now I know my sister does eBay, and she puts them in the cardboard envelopes, but those are flat rate envelopes, and they do charge. I do this way. It's a lot easier. It's media, and you could do it right from home. You do not have to go to the mailbox. I mean, to the post office. If you go to the post office, most likely you're going to get more of a charge because they're going to put you in a different rate and a different shipping thing. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of educational advice for e-commerce. Thanks again, guys. My name is Check with Beck, and I will be on again with some more helpful stuff to help you get your business going. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.